celebrating Australia's factory performance vehicles from 1963 to present day. We asked Club President Rob Lassetto to share about Australia's hottest factory cars.
What's the actual definition of a muscle car? What makes a car a muscle car?
A muscle car is...
Check this beast out!
Saturday, and the big show and shine is here, with muscle car buffs from all over the nation coming to pay homage to these, the ultimate Aussie performance cars.
Are you pretty proud of your car?
Yeah, I love it. 327 Chev with a Salisbury and 10-bolt dick.
It's one of those cars, you know. People say that if you own one, you've got to own two.
How many you got?
One.
Everything from Mini Coopers to the legendary Hemi RT Chargers, up to the latest injected HSVs and FPVs, and all other classic performance muscle cars in between.
And you had the GTR, and then you had the next option, which was the XU1, which then gave you the triple carburettor.
I've got nitrous oxide on the car, and it's almost like someone actually punching you in the back when it kicks in. It sits down and goes sideways, so automatically switch traction off.
We are in the midst of Australian motor racing legends.
After all these years, and unfortunately,
let me tell you, it was a Monaro. Took it out of the pit row, turned left up mountain straight, out of first gear, into second gear.
Again, the father of Australian touring car racing as we know it. Harry Firth, welcome to this weekend. So Harry, what was your favourite car that you ever drove? 1966, Brooks McPhee came in third in a Cooper S to Bob Holden and Ronno Altonen. In 1968, he was first in the Holden